Hey guys, Dean here from the Bush Company. Now today we had the privilege of installing our 270-degree XT awning on this beautiful looking 200 Series Landcruiser. Fairly newly kitted out by ARB Maroochydore here on the sunny coast. But on the front end, just going through the goods, on the front end we have the ARB bull bar sporting a WARN Zeon winch. Also at the bottom, ROH wheels looking fantastic on a big set of Mickey Thompson tires with OVERLAND BP51 remote reservoir shock absorbers on there. Now on the right hand side, SAFARI ARMAX snorkel, perfect for that extra breathing and also in case you're doing those water crossings. On the top end, Rhino Rack. This is the new Rhino Rack, nice and slick, and also running a full backbone system on that. Max tracks on the top, so the 4 black max tracks looking neat, a shovel holder. On the back end of the vehicle, we've got the dual drawer system from ARB, including a National Lunar fridge, all on an MSA drop down fridge slide. Now, let me show you up and quickly on how the awning opens up. So really simple, under your zips, and it fits in so well on this. Also, we've fitted this with our new Pioneer Rack L brackets, our long brackets that we use, and it's come out so good. Quickly pull it down, wrap it all the way around, like that. And that's it. Even clears the back door. Absolutely no dramas at all, guys. Quick shade setup, poleless. You strap down your guy ropes when it gets really heavy wind, but other than that, perfect for the day at the beach. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, go to our website at thebushcompany.com. Hope to see you out there. Go Bush. Catch you later.